Man, what's up everybody? Jared here from Manatee Pressure Washer Supply and Repair. Today, you're gonna pack an order with us. Let's pack up a couple machines and get them out. Check it out. Customer got some fierce jet hoses. We're gonna get 4 of these guys. And every machine comes with a 50-footer for free. Take 2.
I get bittens for them hoses.
Take them back out.
They're in the back. Machines and testing. Yeah.
Night Rider.
We got our 2 machines finished for this order and testing here. Just waiting on the mufflers to cool off. And we went ahead and got the boxes prepped. Got a 100-gallon tank going out with this one. Now we got to grab a few more things. We're going to get a Whisper Wash big guy on this order. We're also going to do some electric hose reels and some manual King's reels and a 22-gallon gas tank. So let's grab those and get to
Big guy.
Got it all wrapped and strapped up, baby. Wrapped up, strapped, secured for shipment. All we do is got to pull the bill of lading and it's on its way to the customer.